Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today we're exploring the Stripe button block, a seamless way to add secure Stripe payments to your WordPress site. Let's set it up. First, go to the section where you want your Stripe button. Click the plus icon, search for Stripe button, and insert the aBlocks Stripe button block. There it is, the Stripe button block is added. Next, we'll customize it. Let's keep going. Let's set up the Stripe button. In the General tab, start with Stripe API. Enter your Stripe secret key to connect your Stripe account securely. Next, set the item name. Then, enter the product price. Choose the currency. I'll keep it as USD, but you can pick another if needed. Set the quantity. Add a shipping price if applicable. Lastly, there's Add Tax. Enable it if you need to include tax. In the Button section, under the Content tab, start with Position. Then fix the alignment. Next, choose Type. I'll keep it as primary for standard button style, but you can explore other styles. Then, set the text. It's by now, which is clear, so I'll leave it as is. Adjust sizes. I'll set it to medium, but you can choose small or large. Finally, there's Show Icon. Enable it to display a Stripe icon on the button for branding. Let's style the Stripe button. In the Button section, switch to the Style tab. First, customize typography for the button text. Next, change the text color. Then, set a background color for the button. Let's add a border to the Stripe button. Still in the Style tab, enable the border option and set the border style to solid for a clean outline. Set a border color. Then adjust the width. Next, fix the border radius. That's the border customized. Let's customize the button icon. Start with icon. It's set to the Stripe logo by default, which is perfect for branding, so I'll keep it. Next, adjust the size. Then, set view to default for standard icon display, or you can choose stacked or framed for different styles. Choose icon position. I'll set it to before so the Stripe logo appears before the by now text. Finally, adjust icon spacing to add a nice gap between the icon and the text. Switch to the Style tab. First, set the primary color. Next, set a background color. Then, adjust Rotate. Let's customize the additional options. In this section, start with Redirect after payment. Add a URL. Next, under Link Options, there's Open in New tab. Enable it to open the Stripe payment page in New tab. Then, there's Custom Message to show a custom success message after payment. Enable it if you want to add one. Lastly, set an error message. After you've completed every customization, click the Save button to apply all your changes. Now check the preview. There's our polished Stripe button, ready for secure payments. ND, that's it. Your aBlocks Stripe button block is ready to streamline payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.